Good Monday, algebra students. So today is the start of week 4 of marking period 4. So we are a solid about a month into the new marking period. And I just want to make sure that if you're on our homepage for this week, our glorious calendar has Think Coffee Math at the top of it. And you're going to come down and open e-learning week 4 under today, Monday, the 11th. So once you do that and your page loads, you'll notice that our mastery objective for this week is the same exact objective that it was last week. So we're still going to continue to finish up reviewing the ways to solve quadratic equations, to find zeros, to find the x-intercepts, and to find the solutions. So you're still going to have time to practice factoring, completing the square, and the quadratic formula. So the tasks to complete this week are to watch this intro video and to complete the ed puzzles below. They are graded, so you'll notice that it's the same ed puzzles from last week. So this is a nice time to take to catch up if you were not able to do them from last week. Then there is a quizzes that is linked in with the code that is graded. An error analysis discussion question, where this time, instead of doing a quiz on MyMCPS, you'll have a chance to go and look at some problems that I did and see if you can find out if I made an error along the way. And then, as always, there's the Google form to give feedback for this week and what you would like to see changed. And then there's optional practice on IXL or Khan Academy down at the bottom. So again, in the videos section, the intro video will be linked there once it's done, because that's what you're currently watching. And then the ed puzzles are the same ed puzzles that were from last week. You have your quizzes code, the link to the discussion question, all of these helpful resources, including the templates and extra videos. Under the check for understanding, I do have the review from last week still linked, so if you have not had time to do it, you can log on and check that out, as well as the new Google form. So even though the picture says week 3, the link will take you to week 4. And then down at the very bottom are the videos from last week's check-ins with each class. So period 1, period 5, and period 4, your videos are all right there. So please, if you weren't able to join us for our optional Zoom meeting last week, you have a chance to go in and watch those. And make sure that you read this week's announcement, as it contains important information for how our class is going to start beginning next Monday, May 18th. As usual, I'm available by email if you have any questions. Have a great week, Silver Spring International Algebra Crew.